Let's walk through how to add departments in your MaxelTracker dashboard. Go to the Department section on the left sidebar. Here, you will find a default department. All the employees will be shown under Default Department until you add or create separate departments based on your organization. To create a new one, click on the Add Departments button. Enter the department name based on your organization's structure. You can create department groups like sales, marketing, engineering, or any other team you manage. You can also add a short description. For instance, finance team with night shifts, or marketing team working from home. Clear descriptions make department management easier. Next, select the employees you want to add under this department. If you prefer, you can skip this part and assign people later. You can also create multiple departments in the same category but working on different projects. For example, there are two marketing teams working on different projects like Project A and Project B. Now you can name the department as Marketing Team Project A and add all the users working in this department. Once departments are created, you can update them anytime. Click the three dots, then Edit Department. You can change the name, tags, description, and add or remove users whenever needed. Let's take an example. Employee A was working in the marketing department, and now he has been moved to another team or department. You can remove Employee A from here and add him in another department. You can also manage productivity for each department from this same section. Click Manage Productivity to set which apps and websites are productive for that specific team. And that's how you create, edit, and manage departments in MaxelTracker. And your team is organized the way you need. If you need any technical assistance for department settings, reach out to MaxelTracker team at support@maxeltracker.com.